the oxygen concentrator, and I am just showing it how to assemble and use this. So before starting it, the first step which we should use to fill the water in this particular attachment, which is here, you need to pull this out. This is how it looks like, and then you have to open this tab. Once it's open, you can fill the water from here. There is a water level which is the highest water level. You need to keep the water under this only, and it is quite easy. Just put the water like this, and once it's filled, just reconnect this to the machine. Just you need to just push it back. This is the first level, first thing. Now you need to connect your cable over here, and then you can connect this to your plug. Once it's connected, then there is a button, this black color button, which you need to click on. Till here, now the machine is started, it's switched on, right? But it is not yet started. So you can see now, this is the machine, it is on, it has the power. Now you need to click here to start this one. Once it's started, this will start, the motor will start, and you can start just adjusting timing from here. Just click here, this is 15 minutes, and the other one is again 30 minutes. These are the two, or every 15 minutes you can increase this. And then you need to just remove and rotate this to the plus side like this. Now you can see the water is start, the oxygen concentration is started now, and as soon as you keep it down, it will be slow down. So you can keep it for just like this so that it is started. Now this is the cable which you need to connect to get the oxygen. You have to connect the one side of the cable to the machine, which is here, oxygen outlet. Just connect like this, and the other side of the cable, which is like this, you have to connect it to the mic like this. Once you connect it, the mic has a specific option wherein you will get the oxygen. You have to just put it like this and just keep it on at the in front of your nose. And as soon as it is started, now you can see that it is started now. The timer is already started, and you can increase the volume of the oxygen as from this particular button up to your own requirement, as per your requirement only. And as much as you increase it, the speed of the oxygen will increase automatically. And you can now, I'm just reducing it, and now I'm not getting any oxygen right now. And as soon as I'm increasing it, the oxygen will start flow. And now I'm getting the oxygen from this particular mic. And now I can't show